Hey guys, Janelle here, and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this really pretty bluish, dark midnight blue hair color that I think is just so pretty. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this color, then keep on watching. So originally I tried to just bleach the hair and then dye it using the watercolor method, but for some reason it just did not work out as well as it did the first time I tried this method. I bleached the hair really light. I used 40 volume developer and bleached it till it honestly couldn't really get much lighter. So I'm not sure what happened here, but this watercolor method really failed me this time. And I just wanted to show you guys this. It was part of the process, and just in case, and just also to let you guys know that it might not always work, so I don't know, everybody has all these videos and everybody seems to come out perfect when I use the watercolor method, except maybe one or two videos that I saw, but it's not foolproof, guys. It might not work. So this is what the hair looked like after I tried to do the watercolor method. And honestly, this is not good. It's patchy. There's still a lot of blonde pieces. It's really green. So we are going to dye this hair the old-fashioned original way, okay? Except this isn't really the right way to do this either. So here was where I went wrong again. I tried to dye the hair using the rest of the Adore Royal Navy dye. I only had one bottle. I don't know what I was thinking, guys. I clearly didn't know what I was doing. All right, this is my first time, dyeing hair the regular way, so I just really was a mess and just was not thinking straight, and this was just all wrong, okay? This is just a hot mess. So here I am trying to use this one bottle to dye this entire head of hair, and this is what it looked like when I was done. So now it's time to fix this for real. So I'm going to be using these Ion Color Brilliance dyes in the color Midnight Blue Black and Sapphire, and I literally just mixed all three of those colors together. So I'm just going to apply the dye to the hair. I'm going to apply it using this dye brush, and I'm making sure to get every single strand, trying to get all up in there because I don't want any more patchy hair. And just as a side note, guys, because the hair was pre-dyed, because there are so many patches in different colors, my hair did not come out perfect, but that's why I got the Midnight Blue Black color, because it's dark and it pretty much canceled out most of the patchiness. But you can still kind of see it, and I'll show you guys that at the end. You can still kind of see where there are some places that are lighter, some places that are really dark. But, overall, it still looks pretty good. So, whatever. By the way, guys, this hair is the Peruvian Body Wave hair that I received from Dyhair777. I showed you guys that hair in a previous video on how I sew down my wigs. So if you haven't seen that, go check that out. But yes, this is the same hair. Like I said, it is Peruvian Body Wave hair, and it's in 16, 18, and 20 inches with a 14-inch closure. And yes, if you haven't seen that video, that hair was originally black. It was not 613 hair. It was 1B. So right here, I'm just spraying a little bit of some Got To Be Glue freeze spray on the closure to try to help, eliminate any dye getting on the closure. I heard that, if you do get dye on the closure, putting hairspray on it will, help the dye wash away or something like that. I have no idea, guys. But I just know it helps. Okay, so after I finished applying all of the dye to my hair, I'm gonna just let this sit for about 30 minutes. And when that 30 minutes is up, it's time to wash it out. And I'll be using the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo and some random conditioner. I have no idea. It says Tresemme on the bottle, but I'm pretty sure that's not Tresemme conditioner in there. I have no idea. But after I'm done washing and conditioning the hair, I'm gonna towel dry it and then style this bad boy and show you guys the end results. Throughout all of this processing, this hair held up really, really well. The body wave pattern is still in the hair, so that speaks volumes about the quality of this hair, guys. I mean, I bleached it, I tried to watercolor dye it, I tried to dye it once, and then I tried to dye it again. So, you know, this hair went through quite a bit of processing, and it held up really, really nicely. So shout out to DY Hair. So here are the end results. I've blow dried and straightened this hair, and I think this came out really good. I went through hell and high water to get to this point, but it came out pretty good, you know? Here I'm showing you guys where you can see a really dark spot. I don't even know how that happened, but you know, just cover that up. Like I said, there's some like patchiness here, but it's not easy to tell, but I think it still came out really nice. And yeah, I think this is super cute. I'm loving this midnight kind of royal blue-ish color here. If you also liked it, then give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so you're notified every single time I post a new video. And follow me on social media. My handle is @JanelleSequiraXO. All that information will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.